How do YouTubers make money? Ever looked at your screen and thought, how are they doing it? That kid with a camera, that girl with a phone. How are they turning clicks into cash while you're stuck on the same page? We scroll past their thumbnails like passing windows on a train. But behind every frame, there's a strategy, a system. And the clock is ticking, not just for them, for you. Most people think it's all about views, viral hits, millions of eyes. But that's a myth. The truth. It starts with attention, then turns into income through doors most don't even see. Ads are just the surface. Beneath that, sponsorships, affiliate links, merch, courses, memberships, each one a ladder. And every video, a step. But here's the pain. Most quit before step one. They stare at the blank screen. No likes, no subs. Doubt gets louder than the dream. You feel like a whisper in a stadium. Some try once, fail, and disappear. Others keep going, even when the spotlight's off. They learn, adjust. They post when no one's watching. That's where the shift begins. Then it clicks. A comment, a share, $10 from a product link. It's not luck, it's momentum. Tiny wins stacked like bricks. Suddenly, you're building something real. That's how YouTubers make money. Not overnight, not by chance, but by showing up, again and again, turning passion into progress. Screen by screen, you're not too late, not too small, not too behind. The door's still open. The camera's already in your hand. What are you waiting for? Start. Today, one video, one message, one chance. You don't need millions, you just need to begin.